All right, man, y'all know what time it is. It's almost time to get on the field. But first, I'm standing next to the Alvin Moore of the Norview marching sound of the 757, man. What's good, man? How you feeling today?
Man, I'm feeling good. We competing today, first competition of the year. For my kids, it's a lot of them. It's their first competition, and Lakeland is also my alma mater, so I'm feeling real good. So.
Word. Before I get to any questions, man, first, I want to show some black love, man. Men can show black love to other men, bro. I am inspired by this man's locks, bro. You feel me? I'm inspired. Like, I'm going to get there. I'm going to get there this time, I promise. Anyway, so what can we expect today from the sound of the 757?
We're going to go out there. We're going to put our best foot forward. Some precision drill, some good tunes from the 90s. I don't want to give it all away just yet. A couple tunes from the 90s, and we just going to bring that energy, man. Like I said, only school from Norfolk here, and so we got to represent as best as we can.
Yeah, as a fellow member of Norfolk marching bands, I'm excited to see Norview in this type of light, man. I don't know what to expect, but I'm happy to be here to see it. Last thing, man, is there anything that you want to say to this competition out here, man? Because on BandRaw, we keep it raw. So what you got to say to them out there?
I'm gonna keep it friendly, man. Everybody come, do your thing, man. First field show, we out here kicking butt. All things aside, COVID, we made it. So I'm just happy to see everybody. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug. We battling Warwick High School, November 19th in the gym at Warwick. So I'm gonna tell my man Bracy Martin, watch out, man. Be 10 toes down.
Watch out, boys.
Once again, put your hands together. Show some love. Clap those hands, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm standing with the sound of the 757 drum major. Y'all go ahead and introduce yourself real quick.
I'm Sergeant Funk.
I'm Lieutenant Smooth.
Lieutenant Smooth. All right, man. So y'all just got off the field. Y'all blazed the joint. How y'all feel about it?
Feel pretty good.
Feel great.
Feel great?
Yes, sir.
All right, so y'all were the first band, so we got a couple more bands to go see. Anything y'all want to say to the bands out there that's about to come after y'all?
Do your thing. Do
Good
your
luck.
thing.
And wish y'all luck out here.
Y'all so like y'all band right now, bro. Hey, look, this has been another episode of BandRaw. Y'all catch it on the channel, and we out of here.